Welcome to Coffee Break with Encompass. Today I will be demonstrating the setting up of incoming inbound EDI documents as well as outbound EDI documents inside Epicor through the customer maintenance screen. In order to do so, we first need to get to the customer maintenance screen. This can be found under Sales Management, Demand Management, Setup, and Customer. First, pull up the customer that you would like to attach the EDI documents to. Once that's up, navigate over to the Documents tab and select New Customer Document. Now for today's purpose, I'm just going to set up one inbound and one outbound document. There are multiple ones that can be set up inside the customer maintenance screen. For my inbound, I'm going to simply do a purchase order. For the document, all you need to type in is the name. This is typically what the mappers are also using as the document type inside the raw EDI file. For today's purposes, I'm going to name it Purchase Order. Click on the drop-down for the type and select the type of EDI document that this is. For a purchase order, I'm going to make it an incoming shipping schedule. The direction can either be inbound or outbound, so this one will be inbound. The next section is the part options. Here, Epicor, we need to tell Epicor what part number to look for inside the raw EDI file. Now this works as a hierarchy, so you can pick whichever options available that will be coming in on your raw EDI. I'm going to check for part, which will check the Epicor part master, and use customer part, which will check for the customer part number coming in on the EDI. Now you only have to do this on the inbound that will already know the part number on the outbound. Next, you have the accept type. There are three options here. Always accept, accept if no errors, and manually accept. Manually accept means that the data sits in the demand tables until it's manually converted into a sales order. So somebody has to go in and actually process the order, or it will not go outside of the demand tables. Accept if no errors, it will turn into a sales order or a forecast, depending on whatever document you're setting up, automatically if there are no errors inside the file. And then finally, always accept basically ignores all errors and turns everything straight into a sales order or forecast. Then this outbound document down here is, as it says, for outbound documents, so we can skip those. And also the test record checkbox here is kind of self-explanatory to where you can either make it a test record or a live record. So now we will simply save. And to do our outbound, we will also do a new customer document. I will do an invoice. So I'm going to name it invoice. I'm going to select the invoice type. I'm going to switch my direction to outbound because this is an outbound document, which means I can skip the part options section and the accept type section, but inside of the demand outbound document section, I need to make sure that required is checked as well as manual and automatic. For the document, you can simply type that this is an invoice and then add the alternate trading partner so that the mappers will know which map to apply to this document coming out. And save. You can also see a list view of these, which will allow you to copy and do a paste insert. And you can add multiple different kinds of documents. Thank you for watching today's coffee break.